The low-carb diet is a diet restricted in carbohydrates. It is excellent for those who want to lose weight, in a healthy way, and without starving. Since the amount of carbohydrate in this diet is low, it is high in protein and good fat. There are several types of low-carb diet, but they all restrict the amount of carbohydrate. Scientific studies have shown that low-carb diet results in weight loss, and a good improvement in health conditions, such as diabetes, fatty liver, and high blood pressure. People who have already done this diet said they now have more disposition, and also gain muscle mass, justified by increased consumption of protein. In this diet, you do not need to count calories, and not even restrict yourself in the amount of food eaten. But, the food you eat cannot contain a lot of carbohydrates. So you should avoid any kind of mass, wheat, sugar, bread, and even whole wheat bread. Some foods allowed in the low-carb diet are eggs, meat, fish, vegetables, avocado, coconut, blackberry, lemon, butter, coconut oil, bacon, almonds, and nuts. All these foods are allowed, and you can eat them at will. The secret of the low-carb diet is to combine the right foods at the right time of the day. A guide can make everything simpler to you, and can greatly help you to follow this diet, to slim down naturally and healthy. To start now, access the link in the description, right below this video. Already in the first few days, people report improvement in health, and in a short time, they are losing weight naturally. Try it yourself. If you liked this video, click on like below, and subscribe to the channel. Happy diet!